Yarra Valley Water engaged Jaydo Construction to construct 6 wetlands and 2 fire access tracks at the Upper Yarra Treatment Plant as part of a habitat restoration project. The works involved significant acid sulphate soil management, requiring an innovative, first-of-its-kind approach to wetland construction, utilising tractors, super spreaders and rotary hose to efficiently treat and manage soils across large areas. Despite challenging weather conditions and rigorous testing requirements, the project was delivered on time, creating a sustainable habitat for the critically endangered Leadbeater's possum and helmeted honeyeater.